that with your mind.
Alright, that settles it.
Alright. Stand here.
Like I said, I want to take that test and work toward getting my own unit underneath you.
Alright. Alright, now that you're in position, what would you like to say?
I'd like to say on behalf of my teammates,
You're out.
who's shooting you? Oh!
Oh yeah!
I think I cheated a little, but
Give him a little man.
oh well. What's a really nice way to say you got fucked? Ah! Ah! Non-combatant! The hell is that? You trying to get him again? Alright. Oh shit. No! Non-combatant! Non-combatant!
What's your
I swear to God, you guns better move that way. Ah!
Watch your fire! Hey, that guy is a non-combatant. I am the one shooting at you.
Go that way then. Move left. Move left. Flank him or something. Big boy. You calling me fat? Oh, the big boy. Gotcha.
Yeah, my gun's starting to die.
Duck and cover.
Enough. Hold up.
The hell do you think?
Alright, my battery's starting to die. Huh?
Hey man, my gun's on the charger.
Yeah, your gun's on the charger.